In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I can archive on Notion. As you can see here, I have a page on Notion. Let's say I want to archive this. What I can do, hit the three dots and hit delete. So don't worry, this delete button doesn't actually completely permanently remove it from Notion. No, it will be stored here in trash. So here we can see basically where everything will go in the trash can. So for example, when I delete this one as well, or I delete just specific specific things, for example this one or this one, we can find them back in here. So you can basically, there they are, you can basically treat the trash can and the delete button as an archive option. So they won't be deleted till you completely remove them from the trash can right here, delete permanently. As long as you don't do that, you can just use this as an archive option. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.